In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an automated workflow that turns new YouTube videos into structured meeting notes in Notion and sends a Slack alert. Here's the flow you'll follow from start to finish. First, use a YouTube RSS trigger to kick things off the moment a new video goes live. Point this node at your channel's RSS feed and set a polling interval that fits your needs, whether that's every minute or every hour. Each time it checks, it pulls essential metadata, like the video title and URL. This is the entry point that tells the rest of the system there's something new to process. Next, send that video URL to the DAPI transcribe video node. This uses Whisper Large v3 to convert the audio directly from YouTube into text. The output arrives as binary data, typically through a result link, which is perfect for accuracy but not yet readable for downstream AI steps. That's where the extract transcript text node comes in. It simply converts the binary transcript into a clean, readable text string and passes it forward. AI models operate on text, so this conversion is essential. Now the AI agent takes over. It reads the transcript and distills it into structured meeting notes. You'll get a concise summary in 3 to 5 sentences, covering the main discussion points, a list of action items with owners when identifiable, the key decisions that were made, and the main topics covered. To keep everything predictable, the agent is instructed to output these fields in a consistent structure, ready for validation in the next step. Use the structured output parser to validate and clean that AI output. It ensures the data is well-formed JSON and that all fields, title, summary, action items, decisions, and key topics are present and properly mapped, preventing downstream errors. With clean data in hand, create a new Notion page for each video. Map the fields from the AI output to your database properties. Title to the video or meeting title, summary to key points discussed, action items to tasks, decisions to what was agreed, and key topics to the main themes. Make sure your database ID is configured and mappings are correct. Finally, send a team update via Slack. Post the summary and action items to your chosen channel so everyone stays aligned without manual follow-up. If your team prefers Microsoft Teams or email, you can swap the notifier easily. Before you go live, replace any placeholders with your channel ID and your Notion database ID, set credentials for Whisper and your AI provider, and test each node individually to confirm the handoff works smoothly end-to-end.